In this video, I will guide you on how to sell an item on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, launch open the Facebook app. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, find the option of Marketplace. Once you get here, you want to tap on the sell option. Now go ahead and select item for sale. Now, you will have to enter all of the details over here. So first, upload a main photo of your item. Then you want to add a title. After that, you want to enter the price. Now choose categories such as clothing, books, electronics, home and furniture. Now add condition. Choose item condition such as new, like new, used or good condition. After that, write a short description about your item. Include details like size, condition and features. Then you can update your location and choose listing preferences. Now tap on the publish option at the top and now your item will appear on Marketplace. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.